Hey, nice to meet you, everybody. I'm Sam. Now, that is Giuseppe Zanotti shoes in front of you. Okay, I just want to show you the real quality, the quality detail to you. Show with you how is the quality. Why they call these shoes top vision? How it's different with low vision. Okay, this begins. First, this is the shoes. You can see the stitching. Can you see the stitching? And this work stitching like this. The tail box, that, and Giuseppe Zanotti logo. You can see the logo. The genuine leather made, shining, and smoothly zipper. That leather is not genuine real snake leather. It's genuine leather made looks the same as snake leather. The different leather looks very impressive, right? And the golden hue, golden bag, have the Giuseppe logo. The shoes, very soft quality. The shoes pure made by genuine leather. The shoes that is the insole, and look, no any small any glue on the sole with the genuine leather. No glue. Look, so clearly the shoes. Okay, that's why this vision the customer called the top vision. Only this factory can make out the top vision, the shoes. Okay, this is the shoes, and that is the dust bag, the shopping bag. And with original box. The box inside is original. Have Giuseppe logo paper. Can you see? The Giuseppe logo paper. Okay, thank you for watching my Giuseppe shoes. If you have any other information want to know the shoes, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp or at my Instagram. My Instagram on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.